In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the App Store is missing on your iPad. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just swipe down on the home screen and in this search section, just search this. Now, after you search App Store in this section, you will find the App Store over here. Now, just tap and hold on the App Store icon, and from this pop-up menu, just select Add to Home Screen. And after you do that, you will add the App Store icon to the home screen. Just like that. But if you cannot find the App Store icon over here, then just open the app library, then tap on the search section over here. Now in this section, you will find all the apps on your iPad, and at the top you should find the App Store. Then just tap and hold on the App Store icon and select Add to Home Screen. But if you've done that and if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Now from here, just tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now it might ask you to enter the password of the parental controls, but after you enter the password, just turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions. And after you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the app library. And in the app library, you should find the App Store at the top of the list. And this is how you can fix if the App Store is missing on your iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.